Today I'm going to show you how to mute an individual tab on Google Chrome. So let's say for example you're listening to something in one tab and then all of a sudden you might hear some sort of advertisement or some other form of audio playing in another tab, and I know this can be very frustrating. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to just mute the tab without actually having to close it out to seize the sound. So pretty straightforward. We're going to start by actually opening up Google Chrome here. So let's say I have a couple different tabs open here. And let's say that the first tab on this page is my primary page I'm working on, and then let's say the second tab we're hearing audio playing. All we have to do to mute this tab is just right click on anywhere on this tab icon at the top. So we right click on anywhere in the tab area at the top, and then left click on where it says mute tab. You see there'll be a little icon that will appear with a sound icon with a straight line diagonally going through it. This will mean that the sound has been muted. And actually, if you hover over the icon or anywhere on this new tab button, you can see that it says this tab's audio is being muted. Now, if you want to unmute it, all you have to do is right click on the tab icon again, left click on unmute tab, and that icon goes away. So pretty straightforward. Wanted you guys to know about it. It's a nice little tool to know. And as always, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.